My name is Oscar. I'm here with Protech Contracting, and this is a repair attempt for 6173 West Cherry Lane Avenue. And I'm going to do a repair attempt on this shingle right here. They didn't have the right color. This is the closest thing that they had to this color. I believe it's the brick wood instead of the shake wood. And I did have to cut this much in order for it to fit. All right, let's get started. The nails are stuck in there. I do have to use this tool in order to get it out. I use the snake to be able to see. Doesn't seem that there's more at the top, so I'm just going to continue. Oop. Sorry, the slope is a little too steep for my camera stand. I apologize. Oh, Jesus. Out. Okay, so there's more nails up here. Off now. Oh, it kind of did damage the top layer. Okay, I'll show you guys in a bit. one more. So, as you can see, it does damage the top layer a little bit. Well, obviously the nails come up all the way up to here, so it does leave a little bit of a hole there, and we'll just creased up a little bit on the sides and right there too. Well, thank you so much for watching. Well, to my understanding, this roof is definitely unrepairable. Thank you.